All together now, good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical. While you take a look at some of my favorite pops, click that subscribe button for new updates several times a week. Don't forget about that notification bell. Let's take a look at this removal. What do you think, folks? Is this a mole or some other growth? As you take a look at some excellent ear blackheads, comment below, would you be interested in joining us for live premieres and live chats? Why not? Also, check out this cool Photoshop ear blackhead. Awesome. Kinda looks real. I might need to make it the thumbnail. Very cool. Now, let's take a look at some pimple popper tools. Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a Comedone extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method, as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own. Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to talk about carbuncles. But first, let's look at a few examples. Carbuncles form when one or more hair follicles get infected. They often occur on the back of the neck, shoulders, or thighs. Carbuncles fill with pus, growing larger and more painful until they rupture and drain. In rare but severe cases, people may feel unwell and experience fever and chills. Sometimes carbuncles drain and heal with self-care. Others require an incision and drainage by a doctor. So comment below, have you ever had a carbuncle? Tell us your story and read others below. Do you find yourself exhausted, lethargic, or just unmotivated? That means you aren't getting the deep, restful sleep you need. It's time to check out Rest More. Rest More is an all-natural herbal supplement designed to maximize your brain's ability to rest. Let's hear from some people like you.
I just had a baby 5 months ago, and I was having a hard time sleeping at night after I had her, obviously, and I tried this Rest More, and I'm sleeping so much better every night.
Doesn't make me feel groggy, fall asleep pretty easy, wake up refreshed, best sleep I ever had. Amazing, I would refer it to anybody.
Tried this for a month and it works great. I got a full night of sleep, wake up feeling nice and well rested, and now I can finally get to bed on time and have a full night of sleep.
What's better, Rest More is available on Amazon. So click the link right now in the description below. Order a bottle today and start getting the best sleep of your life.